Today is Susie's birthday, and I have a mind-blowing present for her. Woohoo! Hey, Sue!
Sam, you scared me.
Come on, Susie. It's time for presents. Open that one. That's from me. Happy birthday to Sue.
Oh, Sammy, I'm so excited. Thank you so much for this unicorn poppet again.
Why not? Roger said he loved it, and no one has ever gave a poppet to him before. Holy cannoli! We completely forgot about our new hamster's birthday! We need to get her something.
Maybe we can do without poppets this time.
Are you serious?
Well, hamsters don't dig it.
I wouldn't be so sure about that, and I already have an excellent idea.
Hi, guys. Sammy suggested that we make a poppet maze for our Vanilly.
And the first room is already ready. Susie, help me get out of here.
Hop on. Don't you think it will look better with a door?
Tell me if you need anything.
Will do. For now, we need a piece of foam board. Let's cut out a frame. Sammy, it's your move.
No way I'm doing this alone. I'd better go ask Roger for help.
Guys, you can also ask an adult to help you. Oop, great. How's it going, Sammy?
My piece is ready. Hey, what's taking you so long?
I'm cutting everything by myself here. And since you came back, here, untangle this wire, please.
Easy peasy. I'll be back in a sec. Oh, maybe it'll take me a bit longer.
In the meantime, our door is almost ready. We're just waiting for the opening mechanism.
Here it is, Susan. Now, show us how it works.
The wire goes through both door parts like this. And here is the final result. All we need to do is secure this in the doorway. And voila!
Hey, the furniture will get stuck in here. I need a crane.
I can be your crane, Sammy. Let's furnish our first room.
Shiver me cheddars, it totally slaps! Looks like a prison cell a bit. Ah, there's something moving! Whoa! Holy cannoli, what's that, Sue?
This is gonna be the next location for our hamster's birthday quest. Let's fill it up. The poppets are gonna move in circles here. How will Vanilly take on this challenge?
Why don't you solder up the electric circuit to find that out?
Whoa, be careful, Sammy. Or nothing will be left for us to work with.
You should never work with a soldering iron without adult supervision.
The battery is the last step, and done. Here we go. The first poppet is in its place.
But we're gonna have two more. Nothing's easy here.
Let's see how it works. Whoop.
Hey, Sue, did you forget something?
Oh, right, thanks. Festive, huh?
Let's move to the second location. Check this out.
Wow, there's a lot of space. And what do you want to put here, Sammy?
A plastic tube monster that eats hamsters.
Don't worry, guys. This monster can be easily tamed, and we can use these plastic tubes as the barriers. Our Vanilly will have to work hard to pass through them.
Can somebody take these tubes away? They're squeezing me, please!
Easy, Tiger. Now, shake them. And voila, the labyrinth is ready. And in order to let Vanilly know where to go, we'll glue a few arrows. Right here.
By the macaroons! I really like it, Sue. Whoa, whoa, whoa!
A few plastic balls will finish the design.
And secure them with glue. Guys, let's move on. We have so much to do, like the next room. The stakes are gonna be higher right from the beginning.
We'll insert these circles inside every colorful opening. They are gonna be moving. Purple one goes here, and snap.
Woohoo! Looks like a colorful cardboard barbecue.
Ooh, this is gonna be so much fun.
Sue, how much longer? The next obstacles are ready.
Stop peeping, Sammy.
Why not? I want to be in here too.
I'm just kidding.
Want to see the next room, guys? Then stay tuned.
Whoosh, and our hamster will roll on the bridge. Of course not. Vanilly's safety comes first. I'm sure she'll cross it just fine.
It's also exciting that we've made 2 bridges all together. Check this out. They're so cool.
Here's the last challenge at this location, sliding doors. We've made them from cardboard and plastic straws. Ta-da! Yet another nice hamster challenge is done.
Guys, what do you think? Does this look like a ring for soap bubbles? Hey! Come on! Why so many rings? Phew, I'm confused, Sue.
These are not for blowing soap bubbles, but to challenge our Vanilly. Watch this.
Oh, Vanilly's so lucky! I wish my birthdays were that much fun.
And here comes the soldering iron again. And all 3 rings are going to rotate. Let's assemble everything and let Sammy be our first test subject. Here comes the switcher. Let's see. It works! Just check this out, guys. Pretty challenging, huh?
Make way! Shiver me cheddars! That thing works! Woohoo! It's actually pretty easy. That was awesome. Let's do it again, Sue.
Well, Vanilly can't jump that high. We'll see how she'll manage to escape this room pretty soon, guys. In the meantime, we're back to the Poppet theme again. This time, it'll have spikes.
Uh-oh, this room's kind of tricky. Susie, let me out.
Here you go.
Hey, I'm locked in again. Guys, help me! Ah!
Calm down, Sammy. And guys, don't worry. These are not sharp at all. We'll place them in the last room of this level, right here.
Don't forget a handle from the outside to roll the Poppet platform.
Wow, it's like a death trap in some old dungeon.
What are we waiting for? Let's make it even more exciting. Wow, ooh, check this out. I'm a trapeze artist, haha!
I'm sure our little hamster won't be intimidated by this at all. We'll have 2 suspension bridges here.
And an elevator, apparently, but where does it go? Whoa, not up! I want to go down!
We're landing right in the center of the maze. This is going to be the last step here.
Susie, why is it taking so long? I want to spin inside the cabin. Well, Sue, are you ready? Let's test it.
Okay, but you asked for it.
Whoa, my head is spinning. I'm out. Shiver me cheddars, this is something new. Whoa, wait a second. I wasn't ready. Am I in some kind of circus?
It's the next level of our maze with dancing cylinders.
And what kind of dance do they know? Step? Cha-cha-cha?
It's quite unique, actually. I'd call it left and right dance. Want to see it?
You're joking, right? I can't wait to see it.
Okay, but we should finish the assembling of the mechanism first. This piece goes right here.
I got it. This way the cylinders are gonna swing left and right.
Well, we're done. What do you say, Sammy?
That we should move on to the next location. Vanilly is gonna be here very soon.
Guys, would you look at this? Sammy, I knew that you were working on something, but I didn't know it would be this amazing.
I've been working so hard to make it perfect. A wavy bridge, a zig-zag bridge, a bridge with flying rings, but we need an elevator.
And we'll make it. These wooden railings will help navigate it. Let's glue them right here.
Huh, then the elevator should have a rail too.
Have you finished?
Well, of course.
Then let's fly. Welcome aboard. The final destination is Vanilly's birthday. The last piece of the elevator shaft is a wooden stopper.
The whole contraption should move straight up and down.
Here we go.
Just a bit more, Sue. Hold it. And done.
Yay! Now let's mirror it to the other side so that Vanilly could reach the 3rd floor. Up. Looks like we're done.
Guys, do you want to see a preview of the last location? Check this out. Huh? Give us a thumbs up if you like it.
Sammy, they can't see anything like that.
Meh. Oh, Sue, I'm totally digging it. So much colorful stuff.
Let's add the obstacles then, like this rolling cylinder.
Now we have a new barbecue skewer.
By the way, it will be electric as well.
You're gonna need serious training to go through such a maze.
Do you want to try to jump through this frame?
No, that's more like a hamster thing.
Then let's make a grid so that Vanilly will have to squeeze her way through. Oh, this is gonna be so much fun. Now let's add one more such obstacle.
Woo! This wheel is the best! I want to try it once more.
Careful what you wish for, Sammy. Do you want to become a hamster?
No way! I love my slimy body, and I want to see the other floor too.
And here it is. Here, our fluffy hamster will get her tasty treat. Only one last piece is missing, a rolling cylinder. It's made from cardboard circles and straws. We'll attach it to the walls with short wooden sticks.
And a well-known mechanism will make it roll. Don't go anywhere, guys. You're about to see Vanilly's maze adventure. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Vanilly. This puppet maze is for you.
Oh, she seems a bit overwhelmed. Okay, sweetie, you go here.
Go, go, birthday girl. Vanilly, don't disappoint me. Hey, did she decide to take a bath?
Oh, she's so cute.
She doesn't seem to quite get the whole point of this quest.
Give her time, Sammy. She's just being cautious. That's right, sweetie.
Yay! Finally. Whoa! She's doing it like a professional!
And she's having so much fun.
Uh-oh. She's stuck. Should we help her?
No, Sammy. She's just fine. Well done, Vanilly. Ah, the tubes room. This is going to be interesting.
No, Sue, this is gonna be interesting. Heh. Whoa, did you see that? She's so bendy. And I'm sure she did some special hamster workout to get ready for this maze.
It looks like you're right, Sammy. Just check this out.
Nice move. Very nice.
Oh, the cardboard barbecue room. And it looks like a no biggie for our brave little hamster.
The bridges! Hey, that was really fast.
Vanilly defo is a hamster with good coordination.
And she has excellent sense of direction. Just look at how she passes through these doors. Like a professional door opener. Well, this location is really tough to go through.
But a smart hamster like our Vanilly knows how to avoid all of the obstacles.
She's doing great! Go, Vanilly, go! Hey, is she trying to cheat?
She's just trying to figure out what's ahead of her.
How about a free ride?
I guess she likes this carousel. Go on, Vanilly, move forward.
Susan, get ready to rotate the poppets!
Sir, yes, sir.
Oh, she's so brave! And cute.
Ah, the dancing cylinders.
You know, I could show her a few dancing moves.
After this maze, Sammy, she's gonna teach you how to dance.
Hey! One more effort, and she did it! Let's see how she copes with all this.
It's a shame to disappoint you, Sammy, but these bridges you've made are hardly an obstacle for her.
Not even the poppet one?
I'm afraid not. Just look how smoothly she goes down and up again. Come on, girl, you're already familiar with the elevator. Here we go.
Oh, she decided to freshen up a bit. Ah, this one's tricky. Just don't look down, Vanilly.
That's right, you're almost there. Well done.
Only 2 rooms are left. Whoa!
Come on, Vanilly, squeeze through it. A bit more. Yay!
I must say, I'm impressed, Sue. She's so bright.
You don't say, Sammy, you don't say.
One more breakthrough. No, through the opening, sweetie. That's right. Things are rolling in here. Haha.
Just a bit more. You're almost there, Vanilly. Well done.
She's a hard nut to crack, that hamster. I'm impressed.
She is our lucky birthday girl.
And she is at the finish line. Just a few more steps.
Oh, I hope she won't get scared inside this tube. Go up, girl.
Vanilly gracefully passes through a rainbow forest. But what's ahead of her? Staircase. A remarkably easy obstacle for this smart young lady. Oh, she decides to speed up. And bingo!
Woohoo!
Okay, now it's my turn to take this challenge. Make way! Which turn should I take?
Guys, if you loved this craft, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Bye-bye.
Okay, it's not funny. Where am I? Susie?